Hello everyone, welcome to Story Bite. Generally, whenever I do storytelling sessions, we always do some activities. Recently, I've got some calls and messages from some of you regarding the craft activities. And as we progress, I would be taking some craft sessions too. So keep visiting Story Bite channel to see some interesting crafts. Today, I have picked up a character from one of my earlier stories, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. You must have seen. And I'm going to show you how to make a caterpillar, a colorful one. And after that, we will be doing one rhyme too. So, kids, are you ready? Shall we start? It's very easy. So, kids, our craft is ready. Caterpillar, smiling caterpillar is ready. Yes. You can use as many roles as you want. So now it's time for the rhyme. Are you ready? So here is my caterpillar. Show me yours. Yes. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar crawling on the ground. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar never makes a sound. Shh. Soon you will be sleeping softly lullaby. And when you will wake up, you will be a butterfly. And when you will wake up, you will be a butterfly. So, kids, that was the rhyme and the craft of a caterpillar. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.